Instytut Bankowego Zdarowania NBS NO. That is the hotel where I'm staying here in Bratislava. It is a ways outside of the city center, which is where I'm heading now, but I thought that I would give a little taste of the rest of Bratislava and show kind of the contrast between this kind of very Soviet era looking, you know, building and neighborhood, and then the historic part of Bratislava, which fortunately is much, much nicer. So I'm heading to catch a tram, a little bit of a walk this way, and then it will be a 15 or so minutes tram ride into the center of Bratislava. So this is gonna be fun. Here we go. Hard at work. And so I'll mention that my room there is just $30 a night with attached private bathroom. Pretty good deal. That's why I got the one that's like outside of town. And then the ticket for the tram costs just 45 cents, euro cents. They use the euro here in Slovakia. All right, here is the tram stop, waiting for the number 9. There's my ticket.
Nasleduje zastávka.
The next stop is
MacLeod.
exit for the city center and resort.
All right, so this is the historic city center area. Heading that way, I will go to the historic castle here, and in the process, walk through the cobblestone lanes here. And there's a nice little square here with lots of street food and some kind of tour going on here, looks like. Just one of many squares in the old town. Interesting contraption here. And look at these things. And what a nice, warm, sunny day. A little bit more interesting than the area where my hotel is. I'm sure the hotels right down here are a lot more expensive. In wine, there is wisdom. In beer, there is freedom. In water, there is bacteria. Good drunkard's philosophy. Green Buddha restaurants. Definitely looks more Asian than Eastern European. Green Day there. I went to high school with the drummer, Trey. We were friends. All right, now where is that castle? Heartache Castle. Up this way. That is a bridge over the Danube River, which I will show later. Nice and cool in here. Okay. The Bratislava castle has been inhabited since the late Stone Age. Its first written record dates back to the year 907 AD. The crown tower, located in the southwest of the palace, was built in 13th century, and it is still standing till today. During the reign of the Sigismund of Luxembourg, the castle underwent a radical Gothic reconstruction. After 1526, the castle became the seat of Hungarian monarchs. Under the reign of Maria Theresa, the castle was transformed into a luxurious Baroque residence. In 1811, the castle was burnt down and its reconstruction was only undertaken in 1953. And so this is a mostly reconstructed building then. I'm not quite clear on how a stone castle burns down, but I guess it happens. And a nice shot of the Danube there. I hear some music over here. Maybe there is a little fair or something going on. Check it out.
Poďte, kto má chuť, poďte ochutnať. Júko má krúpoto, ešte dobre, že máme dosť stále, nech sa páči. Poďte ochutnať krúpoto, palacinky, čokoládu.
And so it looks like this must be the area that was reconstructed. It looks, you know, very new, relatively. And check that out, beef goulash with some kind of bread-like thing. I guess it is a dumpling. Looks pretty good. And this is Slovenska, so Slovakian, I guess, restaurant. So there you go, a little taste of Bratislava. My dinner there was 15 euros, including a tip and 2 beers and a big beef goulash dinner there. And so is Bratislava worth visiting? Absolutely. A lovely little city. Definitely worth stopping through for a day or two. Not a whole lot to see, but it is a very nice spot, as you can see here. Great place to get a little taste of the small country of Slovakia. Take it easy.